Hi guys, so this is super impromptu starting this video because my package is not supposed to come today and I'm very excited that it is. Eric said I look like a pirate with my braid and my headband and my hoop earrings, and I'm not gonna argue that point with him, but I actually have to leave for the doctor with Isla in 8 minutes, so I'm gonna record this unboxing super fast and just shove this in, or not shove, like insert this into like the part where I'm actually like ready to film and stuff. If you hear waves in the background, that's Isla's sound machine because she's asleep. And I have to leave to bring her to the doctor in now 7 minutes, and I have to wake her up, so wish me luck. But anyways, today's video is going to be an unboxing of another diaper bag. So this is from Azaria and I'm really excited. Well actually Eric cut it open last night, but I didn't look in the box, so I'm really excited. Ooh. Okay, so when you open it, it's like that, and I got the grand size, so like the biggest size you could get. So it's in plastic. Maybe me opening this will wake Isla, which wouldn't be the worst thing. She'll fall asleep in the car again, but I have to get rid of the plastic so Poppy doesn't get it long gone. And then it comes in this like drawstring dust bag. Cute. And does it say Azaria? Yes, it says Azaria right there. So I got the chestnut color, which is the dark brown. Oh, I'm so excited. Kind of stinky, but I feel like most bags are stinky when you get them. And I didn't get the Luxe or anything, so it's not real leather, it's vegan leather. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so my first impression is it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a lot bigger, but that's okay. Oh, it's really nice. It's a really nice brown color. Oh, and the inside is pink, and I like that material. So with my fawn designs, I have a black fawn design, and I used to have the I can't remember what it was called, walnut one, which is like the dark brown like this, but it was darker. I like this dark brown more. And with fawn, their leather continues inside the bag, so sometimes it is like hard to find things. So I really like the inside of this is not that dark brown. Oh, I love it. Feels so soft, and it does have a key thing, which I never use. I really have to start using that. But anyways, I'm gonna go. I now have 5 minutes until I have to leave to the doctor, so I'm gonna clean this up quick, get Isla on the car and go. And next time you see me, we will be packing this up. And you guys probably think I'm crazy because the video that's going up before this, oh, that's kind of weird that there's plastic on this one and not this D-ring. Anyways, the video that's going up either right before this one or like a video or two before is what's updated, what's in my diaper bag, and it's a different diaper bag. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I had said that I was gonna like get myself ready for this video, but I'm in my gym clothes and I just like really want to switch to this bag right now. I just brought Isla, and I just got back from the doctor, and I brought my diaper bag that I've been using. If you want to see what's in my diaper bag, I'll link it in the cards and you can watch that. But I'm gonna switch and I'm super excited. This feels so nice. I really didn't do too much research on this bag before I bought it, and that's very unlike me. Usually I watch so many. I'm taking the plastic off, that's why Poppy is here next to me. Say hello. And then Isla's on the floor on that side. But I usually do a lot of research on my bags before I buy them, and I just didn't because I kind of feel like there's not a lot of videos on Azaria out there. So I like watched what there was, and yeah, so if you're looking for videos on Azaria, like doing research, I hope that you find this video and it helps you out a little. So I'm trying to take the plastic off. I got the chestnut color. No, Yes, I got chestnut, so the darker brown in the grand size, La Mer Grand, so the biggest size that you can get. And it's super soft. It's like, so with my, it's like, well, this is a Miss Fawn, so, and my Miss Fawn, or my Fawn design is actually in the car. So I'm not very prepared for this video. What else is new? I feel like I'm never prepared. Can I help you? Anyways, the material is not as soft as my Fawn design, but it's still a really nice, this kid is like ready to crawl, but it's still super nice material. Like I said, one of my zipper, or one of my D-rings was not wrapped up, so I thought that was a little weird, but like, I really don't care. What I do like is that the metal detailing on this bag is muted. It's not that bright gold that I feel like is all the other diaper bags. So I enjoy that, because I don't really wear gold as much as I used to. I'm more of like a silver kind of gal. Oh, you found, I was looking for that. I had lost the cap to my Baby Ganix hand sanitizer. Couldn't find it anywhere. Poppy just went in one of her hiding spots in the couch cushions and pulled it out. So love that. Thank you for keeping it safe, Poppy, I guess. Anyways, Isla is completely off of her thing, and now my battery's flashing, so I'm gonna have to pause this and go charge my battery. I will be back. Isla just went down for a nap, so I'm gonna try to film this super quick, but I just got everything out of the diaper bag I was using. I was using this, I cleared it all out, and I'm going to see how all this fits into this. If you guys haven't tried the Poppy probiotic sodas, you definitely should. I'm drinking it's dripping all over me because it was sitting out here while I was putting Isla down. I'm drinking the lemon strawberry one right now. It's so good. Okay, so I've got the new bag, and Poppy seed is gonna drive me nuts during this. This also comes with a crossbody strap, but I never use that. I'm like strictly a backpack kind of person. Poppy, no baby. So this is what the bag looks like that. I'm just gonna angle you guys down and time lapse this because, like I said, I have just filmed a stop it. I just filmed a what's in my diaper bag video, so if you want to know what's in my diaper bag in more detail, I'm definitely an overpacker. I like being prepared, but that video is linked. I just finished packing up the bag, and I was a little skeptical, but it is definitely bigger than this, and it fits everything pretty nicely. I mean, I do wish there was a little bit more give, but I am happy with the way all my stuff fit in the bag, and it does look nice. It doesn't look like overloaded or anything. I just put my stuff in the front pocket, and yeah, everything that's super nice. So for reference, I'm about to show you guys it on me. I'm only 5'2", so this might look really big on me, and this is the grand size. I think I said that. So this is the bag on me. I have it as tight as it goes. I definitely think I'm gonna loosen it a little bit. It just kind of feels like like a regular book bag. Like it doesn't feel like a diaper bag at all. Yeah, the straps are leather. They're not that seatbelt material like other bags, and I think it looks really nice, but I'm gonna take it off. Okay, so that is all for today's video. If you guys want me to do a, like, awkwardly, I don't know how to stand, if you guys want me to do a comparison video of all my different diaper bags, I will definitely do that. I'll probably do it even if you guys don't say that you want to see it, because I feel like that would be a good video and that's something I would like to watch, and I like filming things that I like to watch. But anyways guys, if you aren't already, make sure to subscribe down below, leave me a comment, throw me a like, and yeah, that's it. Bye guys.